Today we will start with practice set 1.3 of similarity. Question 1. In the figure, angle ABC is equal to 75 degree. Angle EDC is equal to 75 degree. State which two triangles are similar and by which test. Also write the similarity of these two triangles by a proper one-to-one correspondence. Okay. So let's start with the solution. In triangle DCE, so DC is mean this small triangle, and triangle BCA, so BCA. Okay. So angle CDE is equal to angle CBA, each 75 degree, and angle DCE is equal to angle BCA, common angle. Therefore, triangle DCE is similar with triangle BCA using AA test of similarity. Question 2. Are the triangles in following figures similar? If yes, by which test? Okay. So please focus on the diagram on the right side and solution will be on the left side. So in the diagram, triangle PQR, PQ is 6, QR is 8 and PR is 10. And in triangle ALMN, LM is 3, MN is 4 and LN is 5. Okay. So let's see the ratios. So PQ upon LM, that is 6 upon 3 is 2 upon 1. Then QR upon MN, that is 8 upon 4 is again 2 upon 1, and PR upon LN, it is 10 upon 5, which is also 2 upon 1. So equation 1, 2 and 3. So from 1, 2 and 3 we can say that PQ upon LM is equal to QR upon MN is equal to PR upon LN. Therefore we can say that triangle PQR is similar to triangle LMN by SSS test of similarity. Question 3. As shown in the figure, two poles of height 8 meter and 4 meter are perpendicular to the ground. If the length of shadow of smaller pole due to sunlight is 6 meter, then how long will be the shadow of the bigger pole at the same time? So solution will be on the left side and diagram will be on the right side. So please focus. So let's start with the solution. PR and AC are two poles which have their shadows as QR and AC respectively. So please in the diagram, PR and AC are two poles and QR and BC are the shadows. Okay. Now the shadows are the cast at the same time, so that angles formed due to sunlight between the shadow and the ground will be the same. So it is 90 degree and these angles will be same. Therefore we can say that triangle PQR is similar with triangle ABC because of AA test. Therefore we can write PR upon AC is equal to QR upon BC, that is corresponding sides of similar triangles are in same proportion. Now PR is 4, AC is 8, QR is 6 and we have to find BC. So let's assume BC is equal to X. Okay. So let's start with the solution. Please see the solution on the left side. So 4 upon 8 is equal to 6 upon X. So using cross multiplication we can write 4 into X is equal to 8 into 6. Now further using transposition we can write X is equal to 8 into 6 upon 4. So 4 ones are 1 and 4 twos are 8. So X is equal to 2 into 6. So 2 into 6 is 12. Therefore X is equal to 12. That is BC is equal to 12 meter. Therefore the length of shadow of the bigger pole is 12 meter. This is your final answer. Question 4. In triangle ABC, AP perpendicular to BC, BQ perpendicular to AC, BPC and AQC means BPC are collinear points and AQC are collinear points. Then prove that triangle CPA and triangle CQB are similar. If AP is equal to 7, BQ is equal to 8, BC is equal to 12, then find AC. So let's start with the solution. Okay. So in triangle CPA and CQB, angle CPA is congruent with angle CQB. Angle CPA, so this angle, and angle CQB, this angle, each 90 degree. Okay. Then angle ACP and angle BCQ. Okay, again this angle. So this is common angle. Therefore we can say that triangle CPA is similar with triangle CQB using AA test of similarity. Now since two triangles are similar, we can write the proportion side. So we can write AP upon BQ is equal to AC upon BC. Okay. Now we will put values of AP, BQ and BC. So AP is 7, BQ is 8 and BC is 12. So 7 upon 8 is equal to AC upon 12. Using cross multiplication we can write AC into 8 is equal to 7 into 12. Then using transposition AC is equal to 7 into 12 upon 8. Then 4 to the 8 and 4 3 the 12. So AC is equal to 7 3 the 21 upon 2 and 21 upon 2 is equal to 10.5. Therefore we are getting AC is equal to 10.5. This is the final answer. Question 5. It is given that in trapezium PQRS, side PQ is parallel with side SR. AR is equal to 5 AP, AS is equal to 5 AQ, then prove that SR is equal to 5 PQ. So let's start with the solution. It is given that PQRS is trapezium with PQ and SR are parallel. Okay, so let's go ahead. Now it is given that PQ and SR are parallel. Then we can consider QS is transversal. Now angle PQS is equal to angle RSQ. So angle PQS means this angle and angle RSQ means this angle. It is forming Z. Therefore we can say that these two angles are equal using alternate angles. Okay. Now PQS is nothing but PQA because QAS are collinear points and RSQ is nothing but RSA again because QAS are collinear points. So consider this is as equation 1. Then in triangle PQA and RSA, this small triangle and this big triangle, angle PQA is congruent with angle RSA from 1. Then angle PAQ, this angle, is congruent with angle RAS, this angle. Both are vertically opposite angles. Therefore triangle PQA is similar with triangle RSA because of AA test of similarity. Now using corresponding sides of the similar triangles are in the same proportion, we can write PQ upon RS is equal to AQ upon AS is equal to AP upon AR. Now it is given that AR is equal to 5 AP. So substitute this value in equation 2. So PQ upon SR is equal to AQ upon AS is equal to AP upon 5 AP. Then this AP will be cut. So we have replaced AR by 5 AP and we have cut AP. Okay. Then what we will get? PQ upon SR is equal to AQ upon AS is equal to 1 upon 5. Consider ratio PQ upon SR and 1 upon 5. So PQ upon SR is equal to 1 upon 5. Using transposition you can write SR is equal to 5 PQ. So this is required proof. Question number 6. In trapezium ABCD, side AB is parallel with DC. Diagonals AC and BD intersect at point O. If AB is equal to 20, DC is 6, OB is 15, then find OD. So let's start with the solution on left side. It is given that AB is parallel with DC. Then consider DB as transversal. Then using alternate angle theorem we can write angle CDB is equal to angle ABD because of alternate angle theorem. Now B, O and D are collinear points, therefore we can write instead of angle CDB we will write angle CDO and instead of angle ABD we can write angle ABO. Okay? Consider this is equation 1. Now in triangle COD and triangle AOB, okay, angle CDO is congruent with angle ABO from equation 1 and angle COD is congruent with angle AOB because vertically opposite angles. So from AA test we can say that triangle COD is similar with triangle AOB. Now using corresponding sides of the similar triangles in the same proportion, we can write OD upon OB is equal to DC upon AB. After substituting the values, we can write OD upon 15 is equal to 6 upon 20. Now the last step was OD upon 15 is equal to 6 upon 20. Then using cross multiplication, we can write OD into 20 is equal to 15 into 6. Then using transposition, OD is equal to 15 into 6 upon 20. Then for 15 and 20, common factor is 5. So 5 4s are 20 and 5 3s are 15. Then 3 into 6 upon 4. Then 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. So 3 3s are 9 and this 2 will come as it is. So OD is equal to 9 upon 2. 9 upon 2 is 4.5. Therefore final answer OD is equal to 4.5. Question 7. ABCD is a parallelogram. Point E is on side BC. Line DE intersect ray AB in point T. Prove that DE into BE is equal to CE into T. ठीक है, सो पहले क्वेश्चन समझ लेते हैं. ABCD is a parallelogram. Please look in the diagram. So this ABCD is a parallelogram. Then E is on side. E is a point on side BC, and this line DE intersect AB at point T. Okay, and we have to prove that DE into BE is equal to CE into TE. Okay, तो ऐसे क्वेश्चंस में अगर आपको D इंटू बी इज इक्वल टू सी इंटू टी प्रूव करना है तो पहले आपको दो ट्रायंगल्स को सिमिलर प्रूव करना होगा. लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द प्रूफ. AB is parallel with CD. Now AB is nothing but AT, so we can write AT is parallel with CD. Okay, now consider AT CD parallel and this TD is transversal, and then we can get angle ATD is equal to angle CDE because alternate opposite angles. Okay, CDT because alternate opposite angles. Now we can write angle ATD as angle BTE and angle CDT as angle CDE because A dash B dash T dash are collinear points and T dash E dash D dash are also collinear points. Consider this is equation 1. Now in triangle BET and triangle CED, in these two triangles, angle BTE is equal to angle CDE from equation 1, and angle BET is equal to angle CED because vertically opposite angles. Therefore these two triangles are similar because a test of similarity. Then we can write corresponding sides. So BE upon CE is equal to TE upon DE. Then we can write using cross multiplication BE into DE is equal to CE into T, which is required proof. Question number 8. In the figure, segment AC and segment BD intersect each other at point P, and AP upon CP is equal to BP upon DP. Then prove that triangle ABP is similar with triangle CDP. So let's start with the solution. So it is given that AP upon CP is equal to BP upon DP. Okay, so let's start. So it is given that in triangle APP and triangle CPD, AP upon CP is equal to BP upon DP. Okay, again AP upon CP is equal to BP upon DP, and we can see that angle APB is equal to angle CPD, vertically opposite angles. It means side, angle, side. Therefore triangle APB is similar with triangle CPD using SAS test of similarity. Question number 9. In the figure, in triangle ABC, point D on side BC such that angle BAC, it means full angle, is equal to angle ADC. So prove that CA square is equal to CB into CD. Okay, so let's start with the proof. So in this case we have to prove triangle BAC, it means the full triangle, and triangle ADC, it means this triangle, are similar. So let's start. It is given that angle BAC is equal to angle ADC, it is given. Also we can say that angle ACB is equal to angle DCA, it means common angle. Therefore using test of similarity, AA test of similarity, we can say that triangle BAC is similar with triangle ADC. Now since two triangles are similar, using corresponding sides of similar triangles are in the same proportion, we can write CA upon CD is equal to CB upon CA, and then using cross multiplication we can write CA square is equal to CB into CD, which is required proof. So we have ended with the practice set 1.3. Thank you.